What is going on, crypto enthusiasts? It's your boy Whiteboard, Invest back with another exciting crypto update for you today. We've got a lot to cover, so buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Today, we're going to be talking about all the latest happenings in the cryptoverse, including BTC price update. Former U.S. President Trump becomes first to be criminally charged. Elon Musk denies discussing crypto with Donald Trump. Duquan and Terraform Labs settle SEC lawsuit. Vitalik Buterin donates 30 ETH to legal fund supporting Tornado Cash developers. ARK Invest CEO: Ethereum ETF approval was unnatural. Let's not waste another minute. Let's dive into today's hottest crypto news. Hey everyone! Today let's delve into the exciting world of Bitcoin prices. As of today, Bitcoin is valued at $68,300, marking a slight increase from yesterday's price of $67,800. This uptick indicates a positive momentum in the market. Now let's peer into the crystal ball and attempt to forecast the future trends. When we analyze Bitcoin's historical price movements, we observe a pattern of volatility followed by periods of significant growth. For instance, during the bull run of 2017, Bitcoin experienced multiple corrections and pullbacks before skyrocketing to its all-time high. Similarly, in 2020, Bitcoin faced a sharp decline in March due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but rebounded swiftly and surged to new heights in the following months. Considering these historical parallels, it's plausible to anticipate further price fluctuations in the short term. Factors such as regulatory developments, macroeconomic conditions, and investor sentiment could trigger short-term corrections. However, despite these potential hurdles, the long-term trajectory for Bitcoin remains optimistic. The increasing institutional adoption, growing mainstream acceptance, and the scarcity of Bitcoin as a finite asset continue to underpin its value proposition. Moreover, the integration of blockchain technology into various industries suggests a broader utility for cryptocurrencies in the future. In conclusion, while short-term volatility is expected, the overall trend for Bitcoin appears bullish. So buckle up, stay informed, and join us till the end of this video to stay updated on the latest developments in the crypto space. Before diving into the next story, ensure you catch every moment till the very end of the video. Trust me, the juiciest updates await you. A U.S. court has declared former President Donald Trump guilty on all 34 charges related to falsifying business records and using hush money during his 2016 election campaign. On May 30th, the New York jury handed down their verdict, confirming that Trump tried to cover up information that could have influenced the presidential election. Specifically, the trial accused Trump of falsifying business records and paying adult film star Stormy Daniels to keep quiet about information that might have harmed his campaign. The judge has scheduled Trump's sentencing for July. While he faces a maximum sentence of 4 years in prison, his lack of a criminal record and the non-violent nature of the offenses mean he might receive a lighter sentence, possibly even just probation. So it's still unclear how this conviction will affect Trump's current presidential campaign. This case is notable because it's the first time in U.S. history that a former president has been criminally prosecuted and convicted. Some political observers, including current presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr., believe Trump still has a shot at returning to the White House in the November election. They argue that Trump maintains significant support among a large segment of voters who think the Biden administration is trying to prevent his comeback and that this trial is part of that effort. Trump's campaign has been actively courting the crypto community, which has faced tough regulatory actions under Biden. Trump's supportive comments and promises to protect the crypto industry have prompted the Biden administration to shift its stance on cryptocurrency policies. This includes not opposing the FIT21 crypto regulation bill and directing the SEC to approve Ethereum ETF proposals after previously labeling ETH as a security. Following the verdict, the price of the memecoin MAGA, Trump, fluctuated wildly. On the Polymarket crypto prediction platform, Trump still holds strong support, with many predicting he will beat Joe Biden in the upcoming election. Billionaire Elon Musk has denied rumors that he discussed cryptocurrency policies with former President Donald Trump. However, Musk remains a strong advocate for crypto, seeing its potential to shift power from governments to the people. According to Bloomberg, Musk had supposedly advised Trump on cryptocurrency and was even in talks about speaking at the upcoming Republican National Convention. But in a response on the social media platform X, Musk shot down these claims. He made it clear that he never discussed crypto with Trump, but reiterated his belief in crypto's potential to empower individuals over governments. Adding to the mix, the Wall Street Journal reported that Trump is considering appointing Musk as an advisor if he wins the presidential election in November. This news broke just a few days before Trump was charged with 34 counts related to covering up information during his 2016 presidential campaign, marking the first time a former U.S. president has faced criminal prosecution. Interestingly, Trump has been skeptical about cryptocurrency in the past, but it seems he's changing his tune. Reports from Coin68 suggest that Trump is now using crypto as a key topic to attract voters, making several pro-crypto statements recently. On the other hand, Elon Musk has long been known for his open stance on crypto. He has taken actions like allowing Tesla to invest in Bitcoin, briefly accepting Bitcoin for payments before reversing the decision, and endorsing Dogecoin. He frequently voices support for cryptocurrency on social media, which he owns. Meanwhile, the Biden administration isn't ignoring the crypto community either. They've been reaching out as part of their re-election campaign, with notable moves like the SEC's approval of the Ethereum Spot ETF. This outreach reflects a shift in their approach to crypto regulation. In the wake of these developments, the relationship between Trump and Musk and their respective stances on crypto is a hot topic, especially with the legal and political drama surrounding Trump. The evolving dynamics in the crypto space and their implications for the upcoming election are keeping everyone on their toes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to bring you the hottest news updates every day. Do Kwon, the founder of Terraform Labs, has reportedly reached a settlement with the SEC over fraud charges related to the collapse of Luna UST in 2022. Court documents filed on May 30th reveal that Terraform Labs and Do Kwon managed to settle after a confidential phone meeting on May 29th. The SEC informed the judge that further court action isn't necessary because both parties have agreed to settle, and they plan to submit the settlement proof by June 12th. To give you a bit of background, in early April, a jury agreed with the SEC's claims that Do Kwon and Terraform Labs misled investors about the Luna UST model. The presiding judge also supported the SEC's view that Luna UST was essentially a disguised security. As a result, the SEC proposed a hefty penalty of $5.3 billion against Terraform Labs for their fraudulent actions. Meanwhile, Do Kwon is currently in Montenegro, where he was arrested in March 2023 for using a fake passport. There's been quite a bit of debate about whether he should be extradited to the U.S. or South Korea, since both countries have charges against him and want to put him on trial. Interestingly, the market responded swiftly to the settlement news. The price of the Luna token surged nearly 40% on the evening of May 30th, showing just how much investors welcome this development. So, while Do Kwon denies discussing crypto policies with Trump and still backs crypto's potential to shift power to the people, he's navigating serious legal challenges and a potential future as an advisor to Trump if he wins the upcoming election. With all this unfolding, the crypto community and investors are closely watching how these events impact the broader market and the upcoming election dynamics. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, has made a significant move by donating 30 ETH, roughly $111,000, through the decentralized fundraising platform Juicebox to support the legal defense of Alexei Pertsev and Roman Storm, two developers from Tornado Cash. According to on-chain data, the wallet address vitalik.eth confirmed the transaction to the Free Alexei and Roman Fund on May 29th. This fund has already raised over 592 ETH, or about $2.2 million, aimed at covering the substantial monthly legal fees, which are between $90,000 and $100,000. Vitalik's donation is a clear sign of his support for Tornado Cash and his firm belief in blockchain privacy. He has consistently advocated for privacy improvements on Ethereum through numerous articles and proposals. Notably, he has supported the Privacy Pools project, which is seen as the successor to Tornado Cash, and has used the Railgun protocol for anonymous ETH transactions. This isn't the first time Vitalik has stepped up for legal causes. Back in 2022, he donated 10 ETH to Assange DAO to support Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, showing his ongoing commitment to these issues. Privacy has always been a controversial topic in the crypto world. Many in the community argue that developers shouldn't be blamed for how their software is used. Tornado Cash, which facilitates private transactions on Ethereum, has unfortunately been misused by criminals for money laundering, including the notorious $622 million Ronin Bridge hack involving Axie Infinity. The U.S. government has taken a strong stance against Tornado Cash, sanctioning it and accusing it of being involved in money laundering activities. They shut down its website and arrested its developers. Alexei Pertsev was arrested in the Netherlands in August 2022 and was sentenced to 64 months in prison in May 2024 for aiding in laundering $1.2 billion. He has appealed this sentence. Roman Storm, on the other hand, remains in custody in the U.S. after his 2023 arrest. He has pleaded not guilty, and his trial, which could result in a 20-year sentence, is scheduled for September. So, while Vitalik Buterin is making headlines with his support for privacy and the legal defense of developers, the broader implications of these events continue to stir debate and shape the crypto community's future. The tension between privacy rights and regulatory actions is more evident than ever, making it a crucial moment for everyone involved in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is becoming a hot topic for U.S. politicians, with Trump and Biden's views on crypto influencing the SEC and the government. At the Consensus 2024 event, ARK Invest's CEO Cathie Wood shared her thoughts on the sudden approval of spot Ethereum ETFs, suggesting that crypto might impact the upcoming presidential election. Wood noted that the SEC didn't heavily scrutinize their ETF application this time, which is unusual and highlights the changing government stance on crypto, especially with the passing of the FIT21 Act in April 2024. This act, supported by both parties, shows the government's softer approach to the crypto market. Wood also mentioned the potential for a Solana ETF in the future, but doubted the approval of meme coins due to their volatility. Trump's support for Bitcoin has further highlighted crypto's importance in politics, putting pressure on the SEC to approve the Ethereum spot ETF. ARK Invest keeps their ETF fees low to make them accessible and continues to support Bitcoin developers, regardless of ETF profits. Meanwhile, BlackRock amended its S-1 filing for its Ethereum ETF, IBIT, revealing initial investments and positive market reactions. Bloomberg's ETF analyst Eric Balchunas sees this as a good sign. Fidelity's Ethereum ETF, FETH, and others from BlackRock, VanEck, and Franklin Templeton are also listed, indicating a growing interest and a bright future for crypto investments.
Alright, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.